So now I'm testing out my new Rode wireless microphone. So I hope the sound is better, and this will be the future audio quality on my videos. As you probably saw in the previous clips, I have replaced all my screws on my Sherman with some more sturdier ones, hardened steel and Prago screws, so I don't have any of those stupid Phillips screws. Most of my the sound when I'm riding one-legged is gone. There's still a tiny bit left, and hopefully it will be fixed when I get my tire censored. It's a tiny bit off to one of the sides, and I have a really small dent on my rim as well. Woohoo! I've been riding with around 35 psi in my tire, and I guess that's too low. I weigh around 85 kilos, maybe 90 with gear and helmet, bag and stuff like that. So yeah, but now I'll just take my my wheel out for a spin and see what's going on, and hopefully the audio will be good. I guess most of you have seen the rumors about or is it rumors when it InMotion is leaking it? The new InMotion wheel. It looks rather good, actually. I like the fact that it looks like they took some of the design from the Sherman and added suspension. That really speaks to me. But let's see what the future brings. The specs and size and stuff like that. Oh, it's muddy here. But who cares? I got a Sherman tire. So that wheel really looks interesting. I'm also looking forward to the S20 like nearly everyone else is. It's interesting to see a wheel with some more suspension, a proper tire. Yeah, for me, a Navi tire is mandatory on a EUC. I really like it. It's a good safety point when you ride in grass or muddy stuff, to take a shortcut that your wheel won't spin out on you. So yeah, hopefully that's the future. Really, it's the first time I'm using this selfie stick. It's the first time I'm using this microphone setup, and I'm using the super view mode on the GoPro. So hopefully I'm in frame most of the time. If not, I'll try and adjust for the next video. And if you want to see that, like and subscribe to the channel. So when I used this Rode wireless micro setup, I noticed that it was kind of hard to get the dead cat to stay on properly to the thingy, and it tended to want it to fall off, and hopefully it's not fallen off. Now I'll just take a trip to my local forest and ride through it I really like riding that path. It's not that long. I've had my Veteran Sherman for 7 months, and yeah, as you know, I had a crack in my shell and replaced that. Maybe I did a mistake when replacing it, so that's why I have some troubles, but it rides fine. And when spring is here, I'll look for a replacement motor, because I have the dent, and I'll probably replace the shell fully. But yeah, let's see what happens. It's as long as it rides like this, I'm okay with it. It's not dangerous or anything like that. So this part is going a bit down, like 15 degrees or so. And now we are on a more or less straight forest path where you can just enjoy the scenery. I really like riding here, especially on my Sherman. I had a V11 and it was really good on this kind of trails, but then again I have a better tire on my Sherman, so I don't fear that I'm slipping out when riding, which is nice. In my spare time, I've been working on some new pads, and I printed them on my own 3D printer. It's been a work in progress project for 2 or 3 months now, designing and changing and doing stuff like that. We could take a break and you could have a look at them. So here you have them, my power pads. You have a jump pad here in the front, and I put my heel near this one. And you of course have your standard power pad up here in the top. They work really good. I really like these pads. You know that feeling when you're braking really hard and the motor almost cuts out on you. I only experienced them when I used these pads. I've had clock pads, but they were just too flimsy for me. They didn't grab enough around of my leg and didn't reach far enough up. Here with these, since they are split design, I can move the top part where I would like it, and I can dial in the part around my feet just exactly how I want it. So that's amazing. So yeah, that will conclude the video for now. Jesus. Oh. So that will conclude the video for now, and I'll see you later. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like to get notified when I go online, post a new video. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.